If you're using NinjaScript but don't want to write it from scratch, now you can just tell your trading logic to AI. It can generate a complete, editable NinjaTrader strategy for you. Today, I'll demo the whole process in about 5 minutes. We're using Pineify's NinjaTrader AI coding agent. It's specifically for NinjaTrader, both BAR and NS. So we can generate indicators and also strategies. Today, we'll use a strategy for the demo. So let's open Pineify's website first. Then we go to our NinjaTrader AI coding agent and log in directly. After logging in, we select NinjaScript at the top. As you can see, there are already some preset prompts here. So we'll just have it write 1. We'll describe it thoroughly. We've set up an EMA crossover strategy. We use close prices for calculation, and we can even make the EMA periods, trade quantity, stop loss, and take profit all configurable parameters. Also, limit to 1 position at a time. We can see that AI has started generating the complete NS and C swap files. And the code isn't just in the chat message, it's an editable code file. We can see the parameters, OnStateChange, OnBarUpdate, and the specific entry, exit, and position logic. Next, we can see it has already detected errors. AI checks for syntax errors and supported NJSQ API. If issues are found, AI auto-fixes them and tells us exactly where the errors are. You can see, if errors are found, our AI will keep fixing them until there are none. As shown, after the last fix, there are no more errors. Then this. Next, I'll demonstrate. You can see that AI has generated the complete code. By clicking Open in Editor here, you can also view the full code, and you can even to you. Next, I'll demonstrate what I think is the most important aspect of Coding Agent. You can continuously modify the same code. For example, let's say you want to add a configurable trading time range while keeping the existing EMA and risk management logic unchanged. You can modify these directly. It doesn't require starting from scratch. You just type your requirements into the message box on the left. If you want to create your own with AI, you can try using ours to see how it works.